Plant FAQs. Caladium Red Flash. Caladium Red Flash, all you need to know about this vibrant houseplant. Hi, Furvu here, and I'm a huge fan of adding pops of color to my indoor space. One of my favorite plants for achieving this is the Caladium Red Flash. This stunning foliage plant boasts dramatic leaves that are guaranteed to turn heads. Over the years, I've learned a lot about caring for this beauty, and I'm excited to share my knowledge with you. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about the Caladium Red Flash. See more 19 species in genus Caladium at monsterholic.com. What is a Caladium Red Flash? The Caladium Red Flash is a type of fancy leaf caladium, a tuberous perennial prized for its ornamental foliage. This variety is known for its large, heart-shaped leaves that showcase a captivating color combination. The base of the leaf is a deep, almost olive green, adorned with vibrant red veins that burst outwards from the center. Delicate pink speckles add another layer of interest, creating a truly mesmerizing display. The red flash is a relatively tall caladium, with stems reaching anywhere from 12 to 30 inches. It produces inconspicuous, calla-like flowers in the summer, but the true stars of the show are undoubtedly the leaves. Caladium Red Flash versus other caladiums, highlighting the differences. There are many caladium varieties out there, each with its unique charm. Here's a quick comparison of the red flash to two other popular types. Caladium White Christmas. This caladium boasts stunning white leaves with contrasting green veins, offering a more elegant and understated look compared to the red flash's vibrant color palette. Caladium Candidum. Similar to White Christmas, Candidum features predominantly white leaves with splashes of pink. However, the leaves are typically smaller and more rounded than the red flash's dramatic heart shapes. While these comparisons highlight the aesthetic differences, all caladiums share similar care requirements. They thrive in warm, humid environments with indirect sunlight. How to care for Caladium Red Flash. Bringing a Caladium Red Flash into your home is a surefire way to inject a dose of tropical flair. But to keep those vibrant leaves looking their best, you'll need to provide proper care. Here are some key things to remember. Light. Caladiums prefer bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Consistent watering is crucial. Aim to keep the soil evenly moist but not soggy. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Humidity. As a tropical plant, the Caladium Red Flash appreciates high humidity levels. You can achieve this by using a humidifier, grouping plants together, or placing your caladium on a pebble tray filled with water. Temperature. Maintain a warm environment with temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing your plant to sudden temperature fluctuations or drafts. Soil. Well-draining, fertile potting mix is essential. A mixture specifically formulated for aroids is a good option. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, you can feed your Caladium Red Flash a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month, diluted according to the manufacturer's instructions. Common Caladium Red Flash problems and solutions. Even with the best care, your Caladium Red Flash might encounter some issues. Here are a few common problems and how to address them. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or excessive sunlight. Check your watering habits and adjust accordingly. Ensure your plant receives indirect light. Droopy leaves. Underwatering is the most likely culprit here. Increase watering frequency and ensure the soil stays moist. Pests. Caladiums are generally pest-resistant, but mealybugs and spider mites can occasionally be a problem. Neem oil spray is a natural and effective solution for these pests. Remember, early diagnosis and intervention are key to resolving any issues with your Caladium Red Flash. Conclusion. The allure of the Caladium Red Flash. The Caladium Red Flash is a stunning houseplant that brings a touch of the tropics indoors. With its captivating foliage and relatively easy care requirements, it's a perfect choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. By following the simple tips outlined above, you can ensure your Caladium Red Flash thrives for years to come, adding a vibrant pop of color to your living space. So, are you ready to bring the drama of the Caladium Red Flash into your home? With a little TLC, this show-stopping plant will reward you with its beauty for a long time.